In 17-6, what I really wanted to do was just spend a little bit of time here on page 1096 with the algorithms that perform operations on sets. And this is really the meat and potatoes of what's happening here. We are using data and we are using these algorithms to perform, frankly, perform a set of functions on some set of data. So here, the union is when we have two sets of data, we are going to return a set that contains all of the elements of both sets that is not repeated. So if I have in one set 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other set 5, 6, 7, 8, the union of that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the idea of the union. You are very, very probably going to get a larger set of data. As a matter of fact, you're going to get a larger set of data. Set intersection finds the from one set and another returns just a set that has the intersection, the commonalities between two of those. So if in one set I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in another set I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the intersection is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5 as a data set that is returned to me. So that's intersection, taking two sets and very probably returning to a smaller set that has numbers that are common, or values rather, that are common between the two of them. Set difference depends on what your data sets are. So which data set goes in here first. So it returns the difference of the two sets, but compared to the first set of data. So what does that mean? In one set of data, I have 1, 3, 5. And that is the first set I'm going to look at. In the next set of data, I have 1, 2, 4. So the difference is going to return to me 2 and 4 because the number 1 is the same in both sets, and we're comparing to rather the first set of data that goes in there. If we were to reverse those, if we had 1, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 5, we would have the difference would be 3, 5. The set symmetric difference goes a little bit further than what you saw happen before. If I have two data sets, 1, 3, 5, and the second data set is 1, 2, 4, the symmetric difference returns everything that is not common between the two of them. So I would see 2, 3, 4, 5 as the return from set symmetric difference. So I know that is gross, but we are going to see this in our code sample, and I'll tell you in working with data, and I'll tell you in taking classes on data, and I'll tell you in the way that you are going to see C++ running on big data. This is where the money is here from the algorithm set 17.6 here in this chapter.